Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. In order to continue, you need to select device name and type in wherever you wish to. Finally, hit OK in device name pop-up. And in order to save your changes, OK in this one about visibility. Now as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!